Good morning, children. Hope you are all happy. Children, yesterday in the first session of general awareness, we learned that we have different rooms. Children, we have different rooms in our house to do different activities. We sleep in the bedroom. We take shower in the bathroom. We welcome and entertain our guests in the living room. We cook and store the food in the kitchen. Children, you also learned about various things that we see and various things that we do in the living room and the kitchen. So first, let's revise them. Things that we see in the living room: telephone, cushions, books and bookshelf, television, sofa, curtain, clock. We watch television in the living room. We welcome and entertain our guests in the living room. We read books in the living room. Various things in the kitchen are containers, toaster, refrigerator, tap and sink, gas stove, blender and drawers, microwave. Mother cooks food in the kitchen. You help your mom in her work. Mom bakes cake for special occasions in an oven. Mother washes utensils in the kitchen. Children, ready? I will be showing you few activities here. You have to tell me in which particular room we do that particular activity. In the living room or in the kitchen. Children, look here. I am making food on the gas stove. So children, in which room I am making the food? Where does your mama cook food, children? In the living room or in the kitchen? Yes, children, you are right. Your mama cooks food in the kitchen. Good job. Look here, children. What is this? It is a clock. So, children, in which room of the house you see the clock? In the living room or in the kitchen? Yes, children, you are right. You see the clock in the living room. Look here, what I am doing? I am making tea. What I am doing? I am making tea. So, in which room I am making tea, children? In which room your mama makes tea? In the living room or in the kitchen? Yes, you are right. Mama makes tea in the kitchen. What is this, children? It is a book. So, children, in which room of the house you see the book? In the living room or in the kitchen? Tell me, children, think and tell me. Yes, children, you are right. You see the book in the book cabinet in the living room. Children, look here. These are plates. So, where do you find these plates? In the living room or in the kitchen? Tell me. Yes, children, you are right. You see plates in the kitchen. Ready, children, for the question? So listen carefully. A boy is sitting on the sofa. A boy is sitting on the sofa. So in your home, children, in which room do you sit on the sofa and relax? Yes, children, you are right. A boy is sitting on the sofa in the living room. Ready with the worksheet that I gave you yesterday, children? Let's solve it. Done the worksheet, children? In this worksheet, you have to look at the picture and tick right what you do in the living room. Where does your mama cook food? In the living room or kitchen? Yes, in the kitchen. So you will not tick right. Where is the girl reading the book sitting on the sofa? In the living room or kitchen? In the living room. So you will tick right. Where is the boy watching the television? In the living room or kitchen? In the living room. So you will tick right. Where is the girl helping her mother? She is helping her mother in the kitchen. So you will not tick right. Children, in this worksheet, you have to circle the things which you see in the kitchen. Do you see sofa in the kitchen? No. So you will not circle the sofa. Do you see gas stove in the kitchen? Yes. So you will circle the gas stove. Do you see refrigerator in the kitchen? Yes. So you will circle the refrigerator. Do you see microwave in the kitchen? Yes. So you will circle it. Children, do you see bookshelf in the kitchen? No. So you will not circle the bookshelf. I hope, children, you must have done the worksheet in the same manner. Have fun, be happy and keep smiling. Goodbye, children.